was a cop.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know you guys were asking in the comment section down below in previous videos that you guys want to see some POV, first person POV driving of my G35. So right now it's around 9 a.m. The weather is pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and hop on the G35, give you guys some first person POV. Hopefully you guys enjoy. All I ask you guys can go ahead and click that thumbs up button for me. It helps out a ton. Leave down in the comment section below what you guys think of the first POV drive. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Also, for those following the G35 build, the G35 is not done yet. I still want to purchase a 3-inch charge pipe, which is the bigger tubing size. So we should get a little bit more power from that. And we're also going to purchase a fuel return system for the G35 to give it that bigger flexibility with the fuel tuning and all that stuff. With that being said, I'm excited for it. I also want to buy a bigger intercooler for it. First, we got to stop by Shell and put some E85 because the car's running low on gas. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and self-start it. Sometimes it struggles because it's on 85, but I don't think it should struggle. 1, 2, 3. Should start. You see, it didn't start. I think it self-starts it by itself. Once it self-starts and it fails, it starts it again, I think. That E85 smells hella good. Only thing that sucks is that now it's later throughout the day, obviously. So it's now 12 p.m. and the temperature has risen to about 80 degrees. It was around 69 degrees earlier. Now it's 80 degrees. So it's a little bit hotter. The car might not perform at its peak. You guys know it's super hot here in Sacramento. So, but without further ado, I'm still going to give you guys that POV, give you guys a little bit of footage, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. All right, guys, I was telling you guys earlier when it didn't freaking record. But anyways, I do... if I do a first gear pull, it will get 0 traction. Second gear, if I full throttle, no traction. But if I ease into it, I can get some traction. I could only do third gears at full throttle. Full throttle, only third gears. But yeah, man, this car is just insanely loud. Like, think about it. I have a GoPro on and you can hear the freaking whistle from the blower. Imagine in person in front of the car, bro. Like, it's loud. There's no way you can escape a cop unless you do this. Look, neutral, Prius mode. You can't hear nothing, bro. My neutral is my Prius mode. Once I'm in gear, goodbye to silence. All right, here we go, baby. Welcome to the G35 Express. No cops? Is that a cop? Oh, I thought that was a cop. So much construction. He said rev it. I had to give it to him. I'll make a video on how much attention this thing breaks, and it's because of the blower. Like, that girl got scared. She said, let me go back. Hold up, I don't want to die today. Oh my god. Man, big ass wheels. Thanks. Boy got some in and out. Okay, okay. All right, guys, his battery was dead, so we're gonna come back at 3:30, but I have to pick up my girlfriend at 1:30, and destination is 1:31. So let's get on the G and give you some real POVs. Traction control off. Man, this is freaking awesome. Hell yeah, baby. Oh, there's a cop right there. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell to the nah. A fourth gear pool. Akebonos, Akebonos. Too close of a distance. I need some gappage, bro. Hey, what's up, brother? Thumbs up, shout out to him, brother. Infinity gang. Second gear pool. We'll end it on that note. Ha! Oh damn! Akebonos activate! Anyways, guys, that was a POV of my G35 driving around town. I really wish the morning footage would have recorded because the car felt a lot quicker because the weather was nice and cool. 69 degrees, perfect weather. Right now, it's 92 degrees, completely hot. It's probably heat soaked, so I mean, it's still fun, don't get me wrong, but it was just a lot better in the cold. But with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up in the video. I'll catch you guys some other video. I do want to film a video of how much attention it attracts. I want to go to Old Sacramento. There's a lot of people there on a Sunday. I'm going to take the car and just kind of go with it. And I want to see how many necks we can break. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.